Just do anything. Anything will lead to something else, and you just got to get out there and take a chance. Even if it's unpaid work, whatever it is, it will lead to something better, so do everything.
When we got to do this together, when we first started, each of us was missing like a little chunk. I think we've been able to see in each other a bit of a reflection, and so I think I've gotten a little bit of her softness, and she's got
her strength,
a little bit of my strength.
Yeah.
Never be ashamed of trying. Effortlessness is a myth.
I've learned that success is very elusive and ambiguous, and in the more kind of culturally understood way of like accomplishments and achievements and things that look shiny and glamorous and important from the outside are really quite blank without you putting your meaning on, you know, what is success to you.